there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a cannonball. So let's begin. Here you can see that I'm using my pencil and I'm trying to make an oval and now two long lines from both sides. Now I'm drawing its wheel. Don't worry, I will fix it later. Here's another wheel. It seems like smoke, right? Yes, it is smoke. And now I will use my compass to draw a circle. I need another layer of it. Perfect. And now I'm drawing some cracks. Okay, looking good. I'm making the straight lines more sharper. And here's a big crack. Now let's clean all the extra pencil marks. Now it's really looking like a wooden wheel. I'm drawing a big shadow. Okay, it's good now. I'm using my black pen to do some coloring. Here's my pencil again. And now I'm coloring the ball with pencil. I'm using my pencil again. Wow, it's a nice gray color. And now I'm using my black color pen. And now I'm using brown color for the wheels. a little bit of black. And now I'm using orange color pen. I'm trying to make a shadow effect with my pencil. Finally, I'm using my black marker to color the shadow. Okay, my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.